Hi, this time we are going to make an acid-based indicator, and to do that we're going to use berries. Any red berries would do. These ones are frozen and then I've let them thaw to make them easier to squash, and all I'm going to do is I'm going to squash them with this little masher. You can just use a fork, and when I do that it makes a mush basically, but it's quite liquidy. And what I can do with this mush is I'm just using a little syringe out of like baby Calpol, but you don't need to use that. You could just use a spoon. It's just maybe a wee bit easier to get a little amount. On the plate I'm going to put a few drops of indicator, and then on that indicator I'm going to try a few different substances. So I've got lemon and I've got baking powder. Now I know that lemon is acidic and baking powder is alkaline, so I'm using this to see what's going to happen when I add an acid or an alkali. So when I add my lemon, not a huge amount happens. Still stays red. When I add my baking powder, I might need a wee bit, I've added too much baking powder, so we'll just add a bit more indicator. When I add the baking powder, you can see it goes a purpley colour. So we've got the difference between our purple for our basic alkaline and our kind of pinky red colour for our acid. Now what I'd like you to do is like to go and make yourself an indicator and try different substances around about your house. You might want to try vinegar, oil, water, toothpaste, hand wash. Just don't use anything dangerous, and make sure that you have your parents' permission to use what you are using. Send us your pictures, let us know how you got on.